Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for Color Street. This is part of their fall line. Now I say part because as a consultant you're able to do bundles whenever they're available. So this is about half of the new fall 2019 sets and I'm going to share them with you because at the time you're watching this they are new and they are live. So let's take a look. There's two different petites that we got with our little bundle. Kind of like a snake print and then a little animal cheetah kind of print. Both very cute. I have used the petites on my own nails. They are a little bit shorter, so I find that I can't do a double-sided, meaning one strip on two different nails like I can with the full set. But they are geared towards smaller nails, with that being said. So the top one with the snake print is called Goodnight Hiss, and then the other one is called Take Me Out. As always, they have really super cute names. So those are some of the petite line. Now I did see pictures of all these and I will say they always look better in person. So this is an example of one of them. Saw the picture of it and I'm like, oh, it doesn't really do much for me. But then in person it's very shimmery. There's some glitter in there and I think that might look really cool on the nails. So this one is called Best of Both Swirls. So I do like that one. We got some cool solids. So, and even on camera, this is looking darker than what it is in person. I think a lot of it has to do with the packaging. That glare messes with the lighting. So this is just a really nice purple, and it's called Napa Grappa. Then we have a solid navy. I think this one is called US Navy. Yep. US Navy. So again, kind of looks black. It's not. It's a dark navy blue. And I really like that one. This one, if you are a die-hard Color Street fan, to me it looks identical to All the Jingle Ladies, which was a Christmas release last year. I do not have my leftovers from that one because I gave them to a friend, but if I were here to compare them, I bet they're basically the same. Lots of glitter, red, blue, green, silver, all sorts of stuff in there. That one is called Glitz Burg. Here is the other one. Trying to hold it at the best angle for you. So we have a purple, silver, and like a teal ombre. Pretty cool design in the background. That one is called Drop and Give Me Zen. This one makes my 90s heart happy. We have some solid red with some red and black plaid. Really good fall nail. And that one is called Good Girls Gone Plaid. This is probably one of my top faves. Again, a little difficult to show on camera. Essentially, it looks like a black solid with some red glitter. There we go. That's probably the best angle you're going to get with this reflective covering that they're in. Very dark nail, but I think it's pretty. And that is called Russian Around. Next up we have Cattitude Problem. That's pretty funny. So we have a couple that are solids that are a little shimmery, mixed with a little animal print and some flowers in there as well. So that's pretty unique looking. But I bet that would look good on the nails because there's a variety of different looks to them. Then we have another solid, really nice pink color. And this one is called Wow in Macau. Maybe, I'm not sure if I said that right, but I like that color. This one is one of my other fave. Beautiful light purple with some hollow over it. Kind of reminds me more of like spring or like Easter, but I love it. This one is called Glamsterdam. The next solid is this one. And this one is called No Way San Jose. And the last one for half of the fall bundle is just a solid, nice gold one. I think this one would look cool layered with between the lines, the black striped ones. Because that one, part of it's clear, so whatever you put underneath it, you see through it. And this one is called Ostentatious. So I will also insert the pictures of the official fall line so you can see the other ones, but I also have a link below. Check out the website so you can see what is new. If you have not tried Color Street, I do have samples available, and here's a couple different types that I have. If you find my email address below in the description box, you can send me your mailing address, and I will send you one of the new catalogs and a sample. This is called a twosie, so depending on how long your nails are, you might get 2 to 4 nails out of it. I can get 2 out of each strip because my nails are pretty short. So I have a solid, a couple designs, and then I have a French manicure. So thank you so much for watching, and as I said, my link is below in case you'd like to order. Bye guys!